In this video we talk about wall opening, how you can open the wall in different shape and sizes. Let's start. Suppose I have a wall and I want opening in the wall. So first we have to go in architecture. You will see opening and there is a wall opening. Okay, you will see there is a wall opening. By applying this you can do opening. Click here, select the wall on which you want to open. Select the area which you want to open. Click, you will see the wall has been opened. By selecting the opening you can edit as it per your requirements. Suppose by selecting this edit, go in 3D so you can clearly understand. Go and edit and you can change their shape and size as per your requirement. By here also in property you can change. Suppose 9 feet 6 inch, you have to do 7 feet 7 feet. Enter, you will see it will be changed. In this way you can change. Select the wall, select the area which you want to make opening. In this way you can do opening in the wall. And disadvantage of the wall opening is that you can do only rectangular opening, but I want circular opening. For that what I have to do, select the wall, select the wall, edit profile, click on edit profile. You will see the wall profile. If you do any profile under the profile will cut to a present profile. Suppose I have taken this rectangle. Okay, this one, circular. Click on finish the edit mode. You will see a different type of opening. You will see circular opening is also there, pentagonal opening is also there. Let's take some other example. Suppose I want opening on this wall. So click on the wall, edit profile, arc, copy this one, place a distance of 8 feet. You click on the finish button, you will see the opening of the wall. In this way you can do any opening on any wall as per your requirement. If you have any doubt on this topic, please comment. I will explain you again in the next video. Thank you for watching today's video.